Hey guys, I'm Thomas and check this out. I just flipped this stack starting from only 40 bucks. Wanna know the secret? Perfect, because I'm about to show you how you can build an income that can literally change your life, starting with just a tiny investment. Forget years of studying or decoding complicated charts. My strategy is so simple, even a complete beginner can follow it step by step and start seeing results. And this isn't just talk, it's backed by real wins from thousands of traders already inside my community. Now it's your turn. Ready to dive in? So friends, what do we have going on the currency pair? This is where I see that we don't have such very large jumps. The price just fluctuates from the lower boundary to the upper boundary. We will now open from the lower boundary on the upside. And here everything is quite simple. The next still closes, and plus we take this income into our piggy bank, and look how successfully we also have here the line on the RSI indicator. So we are up to $84, which is pretty good. I remind you that we started the run up with only $44, and that's already a pretty good result. So we increase the amount and keep going. Our goal is a little different. We will be maxing out our deposit to our 5K, so there is no stopping us in any way. And this is where we see an uptrend. Accordingly, we open in the same direction. Boom, that's an amazing result, folks. Doubled our $80 and we are up to 162. That's just a great result. I think it's already quick and easy enough. So we made that amount from just $44 in just a couple minutes. And as I said earlier, absolutely everyone can do this if they know certain tools and strategies which we of course understand in my Telegram channel. So let's increase the amount and look further. So we open here on the upside. Okay, the price goes in the opposite direction to the trend, and we are waiting for the position to close. And here, friends, look how easy it turns out to be disperse balance. It can be done by absolutely anyone. Let's look at this situation in more detail. If you know the tools, it's pretty obvious. So according to the RSI indicator, the line pushed off the lower boundary and went up. We can also pay attention to the indicator fractal, which has formed an arrow and went in the opposite direction. $311 put on the amount for investment, and look further. Let's be honest, there are thousands of tips and strategies online, but you're still not sure what actually works, right? This is where my community flips the script. No fluff, no guessing, just proven entry points that bring steady profits almost every single day. In every session, I drop 10 signals and 80-90% of them hit. That's not hype, that's a system. So stop wasting time and money on trades that don't deliver. Text to me, join the crew that's already built for your success. The link right below. Let's get you in. So friends, what can we notice here on this section of the chart? We have an upward trend here. Plus, here we have the price fluctuating in the trading band. Moreover, the trading corridor is ascending, which tells us that the price will also go upwards in the future. Boom! Yes, friends, we take in our already nearly $600, and look how confidently the price has gone up in the right direction. We can also pay attention to all of our indicators. This is very crucial. We have confirmation from both the lower indicator and the fractal indicator. And it's pretty simple enough. Increase the amount and keep going. I remember exactly how it felt starting out. Charts felt overwhelming and strategies were just too much. That's why I keep it simple. Inside my private community, we can write 2 live trading sessions every day. Each one includes up to 10 precise signals with entry points, broker settings, and everything you need to take action in real time. All you've got to do is watch, copy, repeat, no stress, no confusion, just a clear plan and real results. Click the link, hop in and start earning today. And don't worry, I will be there to guide you every step of the way. So we open a currency pair, open a trade on the upside and wait for it to work out. So why did it open up? And now we have $1,000 in the balance. Yes, that's great, guys. I remind you that we started to accelerate the deposit with only $40, and here is what amount we have already drawn up. I'm very pleased that our strategy has worked itself out as always, and it proves that the analysis really pays off. Let's look at the situation in more detail. Well, first of all, we have an uptrend movement. This arrow is just the support level. And also from above, we can highlight the resistance level in this trading range. We just opened a trade on the upside and went into profit. Let us now enter our 1K and look at suitable currency pairs. So Australian dollar and United States dollar chart. Here we will open on the price reversal as we have the price approaching a confident support level. And that's a great result. My assumption, as always, didn't fail me. And indeed, our price has gone up. And in our case, it pushed back from such a confident support level and it went up. And so I said earlier, it was really easy to accelerate and anyone can do it. You need to know certain strategies, which I am just using to accelerate our deposit, and more of them are given our community. I remind you that we go into more detail about such trading strategies, trading indicators, and where can we go with our technical analysis. So go on over, subscribe, but we keep going. All right, let's move over here. Here we open to the downside and let's see how that works. Delightful, friends. It's already $4,000 on a balance of only $40. It's amazing how easy and fast you can make money just by knowing some certain strategies and trading chart tricks, isn't it? It's really simple. Here we also saw confirmation from the fractal indicator, and according to the RSI indicator, the line was rapidly going down. So let's go to the final surgery. We won't change the amount. So we open here on the upside and everything here is quite obvious. Even a beginner will understand it. Tired of gambling on random trades? Want to finally follow a strategy that's built to win? Inside my private club, we run live sessions with full trade breakdowns and verified signals, so every move is backed by actual analysis, no guesswork. You will stop bleeding money on weak setups and finally start seeing repeatable, consistent results. This is your chance to take the guesswork out and put the power back in your hands. Click the link, join the team, and let's start building your success together. And boom, another fantastic result. Friends, 6K in balance with only $44, and that's how easy it is to break just $40 in such a short period of time, up to 7K. Wow. Did you catch that? I just turned a small sum into $6,000 right in front of you. The next live session in my community is starting soon, and here's still time to get in. Time doesn't wait, and neither does the market. Click the link below, shoot me a text, and I will help you get instant access to the club. Let's make your next trade the one that changes everything.